The first pie chart at the top is the KMI budget. And if you look at the KMI on an integrated basis source of cash, you see we expect to distribute $1.57. That's a little over 12% growth versus 2012. And 54% of that is coming from our natural gas pipelines. 14% is now from our CO2 oil production, and you can see the rest of the breakdown. But we have leveraged ourselves more and more to the natural gas side of the equation. That's largely a result of El Paso. Clearly, this does not include any Copano numbers. That will take that natural gas area up even higher. Then if you look at K&P, where we're forecasting $5.28 per unit declared distribution, 6% growth from 2012. That's 40% natural gas today, and pretty evenly split with the rest of it between our CO2 operations, our terminals, and our products pipelines. If you look at EPB's budget, of course, it's 100% natural gas, virtually all under long-term contracts. Included in that natural gas is long-term LNG contracts at our two LNG facilities, and we see a lot of growth in that area in the future, including an announcement that we made earlier this week that Tom Martin will talk more about on an LNG liquefaction facility at our Elba terminal in a joint venture with Shell.